bottom and cancel the show more time. Hello guys, my name is Omar and today we're gonna install the new set from Prismbeam on my Lancer 2014. We're gonna do the unboxing right now. Let's see what we got over here. Okay, we have the instruction here how to install them. And here we have the new set of taillights. They came really nice. Look at this guy. Wow. This is my old ones. I replaced them right now. And I'm gonna show you guys how we install them over here. So now to remove this side, we have to remove that two bolts over here and use this tool on the corner to pull the tail light out. When we remove this, we had to take out 8 clips over here. And that one. That's all, guys. So now I have to unplug the old one. So now we have to remove the now introduce this over here. Both clip on the corner. So that's how it looks right now. You have to put it back both screw again. And now plug in on the original harness. This. So now we have to cross this wire over here. We plug on the corner and try to cross over here to the trunk side. Let's remove the clips.
Go.
Now we have to remove this rubber over here. And that other side too. Now we're gonna remove with 10 millimeters that tube over here. And now put it back again, both of them. Now we remove the other side, and here you take off this and unplug again. Okay, now I put all the tail light already on the car. That's how it looks. The next step is you have to, but pay attention, one is shorter than the other one. The shorter go on this side